My channel guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Goldie. Guys, I am going on my second tour. So this tour will be in some island called Surmmraøy Island. This basically there are fishermen. So I come from Mumbai and I have stayed all my life with fishermen. So I am very excited to see how the fishermen of Norway live their life. So guys, these are the coaches, and as usual I am doing duty of an escort. My coach number, my bus number is red 12. I need to find where's the red 12 bus. Well guys, he's our guide for the day and he's from Japan, but he came in Norway 14 years back and now he's working as a tourist guide and he speaks Norwegian language very fluently, and he's a very jolly person, believe me. The reason I'm doing the voiceover because it's not allowed to talk in a bus, that is why. So he's just telling us like where we are going and what we're gonna do, and this is now we left for the tour. So some of the shots from the bus also. So this is a journey, I'm gonna show it to you very few a little. You can see this is a bridge. It's a beautiful view of a mountain and there are houses. This is a sea, you can see. And again, and it was rainy. I told before that, like in this video, it was a rainy day. And some of the shot of green mountains. So this whole area is covered with snow in winter, whole area, and this area is very good for hiking and snow surfing. Well guys, you see this bridge. Once we cross this bridge, the Surmmraøy Island start, where all the fishermen used to fish and stay. The business was started in 17th century. So this is a bridge. So you see the end of the bridge. Once we cross this bridge, the village will start. It was a beautiful village, but there was a problem with the village that when we went there, it was a rainy day, so I did not saw anybody. You'll be surprised that there was nobody. I mean, I'm coming from Mumbai and I stay like in the village, fisherman village, and we are bound to see like so many people, fishermen selling fishes and all. So even I thought it will be the same like this, but it was totally different. I'll show you the village shot also. See, you see this now. I have crossed the bridge and now this is the village. Yes, this is a fisherman village. Their basic job, I mean the most job is fishing. It does not even smell like fish. You can see it's a very small village, very few people, but I have not seen a single person. Only have seen these two guys, and they went inside, that's it. So it was not that appealing. I was excited. I thought I'll see so many things, but I'm sorry. So this is how the tour goes. Sometimes you see something, sometimes you don't. Still, I made a video, just watch it. So well guys, I am at my first stop, and this is a Surmmraøy Island. You can see all the passengers taking videos, and it's very beautiful. It's windy and it's rainy also. While coming, it was raining. So it's a small village of fishermen, but very beautiful. You can see houses, pretty. So I've been making videos, and now this is a time to just walk around for 15 minutes. We all are going for a walk, and then we'll go for a breakfast where waffles and coffee is waiting for me. I am hungry and it's cold. I have wore my jacket, and inside that there is a t-shirt and there is another t-shirt, and I have wear the thermal wear also. Oh Lord, it's so beautiful guys, believe me. let me wear my hoodie because I can feel my ears are getting very cold, chilly now. Not used to it. I'm from Mumbai. I'm not used to it.
It's cold here then.
This is very cold for us.
Yes, it is very cold for you.
So it also has a little bit the smallest beach I've ever seen in my life. But the problem is this is like you cannot go into a water because it's very cold. Yeah, you can, but for a few seconds, I guess. And this is some, what you say, water adventure sports. I don't know the name of these boats, but it's used for a water adventures. That's good. You see this? Believe me, I don't want to do that when it's so cold. Some of the over there also. So guys, people are asking me like, hey Goldie, why are you not making more videos about cruise? I want to, but see, there is some restriction. You cannot carry your mobile everywhere, especially in passenger area. Though I'm working in a passenger area, but even I'm not allowed to use my mobile phone. So I need to make sure that I'm not using my mobile. And one more thing, like people, the interview which I take of other departments, even they should have time for that, to give me an interview. Oh, it's cold. So it will be 15 minutes walk, and we'll be going through we'll be seeing this village. Nothing much, but it's good. Getting out of the ship, getting a fresh air is very good. And that's it. Let's see. I wish. So I am back with my woody. You can see that. And there is some small garden for children.
Yeah, children.
Yeah.
Yes.
So they really take care of the children. And I love the houses over there, the yellow color one you can see. Ooh, it's cold. I mean, for me it's cold because I'm from Mumbai. For others, like, they are chill out, see, they don't care. Because all their life they have stayed in snow and cold places. So for them it's okay. So that's what, guys. But one thing I really loved about Nordic side and Canada and the houses over there, they are pretty, very beautiful. It's like back in my school days, we have a science project where we make small houses and all that. We used to make the same house. I used to make the same houses like this. See? So you see, I need to go there quickly because they are saying something. That person is saying something, and that is my guide. Well, he's saying about this is a supermarket. This is a small town, but of course, if it's small town or a big town, we all require a supermarket, and this is the supermarket where you can buy your daily stuff, the toiletries and other stuff. One more thing, my mother will never come and stay away. She does not like cold places. Small cars. And if you know, I should not do this, but if I want to compare this with an Indian places, like, but one thing I really like about these places is like they have well developed, and even our government should do something like they should not they should not only focus on the places like big cities, also need to focus on the small town. I'll tell you what the best part of staying in this place, the Surmmraøy Island. He said, like, I asked my guide like why they want to stay so further away from the city. So he said like, if you stay over here, there are some benefits they get on the taxes. So, and the government of Norway encourage people to stay further away from the cities. So at least all the places will be full of people. I mean, there will be some. Every part of Norway has some people staying there. So it's a good thing. Actually, I have a YouTube channel, so I like make videos and put it over there. Yeah. So you see this beautiful houses and all. Wow. That's a really beautiful house. Guys, I'm sure you are always waiting for the videos on the cruise life, but this is also good. Sometimes you also think about some beautiful stuff. So this is a place. I don't know whether it's a hotel or some hotel, because we are going for food now, where waffles and coffee is waiting for us. Okay, now we are getting into a bus again, and let me check whether we are getting into a bus. Yes, I think so. Okay, from here then we'll go for a